Now we are practicing here about the present indefinite tense negative sentences. Today you have got target 100 sentences. Let's get start.
The bird does not fly in the sky. The He does not swim in the river. He does not climb the mountain. He does not find a bike. He does not buy a clothes. He does not ride with her. He does not go to forest with her family. He does not wake up early in the morning. He does not bath our clothes. He does not read a book. He does not study in the ninth class. He does not learn all the chapters. He does not write all letters. He does not speak very well. He does not go in the front of the uh, in the front of school. He does not come here. He does not wake up early in the morning. He does not cut a tree. He does not prepares food. He does not make a food. He does not cook food. He does not write a letter. He does not narrate a poem. He does not break the wood. He does not brush the crackers. He does not burn the wood. He does not tears the page of the copy. He does not write a letter. He does not find a girl for marriage. He does not ride with her. He does not drink. He, he does not drink or what. He does not drink water. He does not drive a car. He does not speaks very well. He does not write a letter. He does not like her. He does not. Yeah, he does not bring the food. Bring the food, and he does not write a letter. He does not put the pen on the table. He does not sit very well. He does not, he does not keep a pen. He does not give her a pen. He does not drink the wood, and he, he does not bring a wood. He does not feed water. He does not tears the page. He does not walk very well. He does not run very well. He does not wake up early in the morning. He does not fresh in the morning. He does not bath in the morning. He does not write a letter. He does not narrate a poem. He does not come here. He does not hit it to her. He does not hide a poem. He does not fly in the sky. He does not go in the helicopter. He does not come here. He does not cut a tree. He does not cut vegetable. He does not bake a wood. He does not brush the cracker in the Deepavali. He does not tears bring the build. He does not build the apartment. He does not come here. He does not go there, and he does not uh, like a ride with her. He does not play a cricket. He does not like to her. He does not bath daily. He does not comes to school daily. He does not likes painting. He does not draw a letter. He does not draw drawing, and he does not write a letter. He does not draw a picture, and he does not find a girl for marriage. He does not go with her. He does not solve the math question. He does not write a letter. He does not come here, and he does not brush the dynamite. He does not know. He does not breaks the wood. He does not cut the tree, and he does not find a girl. He does not kill her. He does not kill her. He does not clean our room very well, and he does not dress very well. He does not come here. He does not he does not write very well. He does not write a very good handwriting. He does not come here. He does not brush the caca. He does not sit very well. He does not come here. He does not go school daily in the morning. He does not sing the song. He does not make the he does not make the song. He does not
wash.
he does not wash the clothes. He does not wear the clothes. He does not like
And the brush.
he does not iron the clothes. He does not hold the clothes. He does not bend the dog. He does not bend his hairs. He does not like wear this optical. He does not like he does not wear like clothes. He does not come here. He does not build the apartment. He does not read very well. He does not study very well. He does not learn very well. He does not speak very well. He does not fly in the sky. The bird not fly. The bird does not fly in the sky. He does not kill her. He does not.
Rise.
He does not rise.
Morning.
Rise. The sun rise. The sun does not rise in the evening west, and he does not like her.
Sets. The sun does not set in the east.
The sun does not set in the east, and this the he does not clean her room very well. He does not wash his clothes very well. He does not write. He does not fight with her. He does not love to her, and he does not come here. He does not hit to her. He does not come here. He does not ride with her. He does not ride with our family. He does not drive a car. He does not drink. He does not drink water. He does not come here. He does not. He does not. He does not make a food. He does not prepare food. He does not. He does not prepare food. He does not cook a food. He does not come here. He does not come here. He does not fill the blanks, and he does not pluck the he does not dig in the ground. He does not pluck the flowers. He does not flow in the air. He does not like to her. He does not come here. He does not go to school daily in the morning. He does not brush the crackers in the Deepavali. He does not walk early in the morning. He does not run early in the morning. He does not do exercise in the evening. He does not improve yourself. He does not come here. He does not go there. He does not kill her. He does not bring the water. He does not drive a car. He does not ride with her. He does not come here. He does not watch TV. He does not speak very well. He does not write. He does not write a letter. He does not narrate a poem. He does not cut tree. He does not. He does not feed. Repeat the sentences. He does not come here. He does not cut a tree. He does not break a tree. He does not break a wood. He does not tear the pages of copy. He does not fold the clothes. He does not fold the pages of the copy. He does not feel very well. He feed to her. He does not feed poor people. he helped to poor people. He does not he does not help to poor people. He feels sad, and he does not come here. He does not write a letter. He does not brush the cutter. He does not come here. He does not find a pen. He does not sit properly. He does not throw the pen. Thank you.
Very nice. You have completed 100 sentences. 10 minutes 39 seconds. Very nice.